Now please let us see. Can put not of it. Still like a pulisheri. Not like a sambar.
Quantity is very less, no? Difficult to.
Do you think with more tomorrow when we do a bigger one, this vessel is enough?
Enough. Slowly we add it. Tomorrow is not much bigger, no? That same quantity today what we use. Half was used today.
Only half, yeah. No, we have that kalka, no? That ash, that big, that in that one.
That total we will do.
So when everything is put
When
together.
lastly we will see if it's enough or not.
Yeah.
ചെറിയ കുപ്പി ഉണ്ടോ? Transparent ഉണ്ടോ?
It's not transparent.
If it's
But
transparent then
yeah, it is whitish, but it's not transparent. അവിടെ ലേപത്തിന്റെ അല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞത്? അവിടെ തുറന്നേക്കാന്ന്.